If you take pride in making sure your RV is clean inside and out, you need Gabe's Pride. I heard about this at an RV rally. Another camper mentioned it to me. They tried it, they wanted me to try it, and the rest is history. I was using Fantastic to try to take marks off the walls inside the RV or on the floor, and it wasn't doing the job or was scrubbing very hard. Since using Gabe's Pride product, all the marks in the walls come off very easily, all the dirt on the floor comes right up with very little effort. It's just amazing stuff. I use the matte bathroom cleaner, and I use that inside the toilet. It doesn't harm the toilet whatsoever. And I use Gabe's Pride, the window cleaner, to clean all the windows inside the trailer and outside the trailer. It takes all the rain marks off. I have not found anything that works as well as Gabe's Pride's cleaners. It's just amazing. It's an amazing product. If you take pride in your RV, I would recommend that you buy Gabe's Pride RV Everyday Essentials Kit.